Hello friends, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin, pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, my friend, I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin, pattern and password. So don't worry at all. In this video, at the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked without visiting any service center and without any computer software. Okay, and if my previous video didn't work on your phone, then don't worry about it, and your phone could not unlock, so don't worry about this. The method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, because every step what I'm going to give you in this video is very important, so don't skip any step. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Okay, and before revealing this method, there are some important things that I would also like to tell you. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. If your phone is charged less than 30%, then you can also use this unlocking method by the plugging your charger with your phone. Okay, now you can see my phone's battery is very low, it's 5%, so I have plugged my charger to my phone to unlock this phone. Okay, so you can also use this with your unlocking method. And the first thing, the main thing is that, the first thing is that if your phone's battery should not charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data in your phone you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully charge your phone at least 30%, else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method. Okay, one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method update every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming video or old video, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make these type of technical issues problem. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. So as you know, as you saw in thumbnail, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network should be closed. So for this you will have to simply slide your phone slider downside. You can get here lots of keys over there. You will have to activate your phone's airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. You can see here there is an option of airplane mode. So when I will click on this airplane mode, all the network like Wi-Fi network or telecommunication network will be closed now. Now you will have to go with the emergency call option. It means you will have to close all the running application whatever were running when your phone was not locked. So generally it is not possible when your phone is locked, it's not possible to close all the running application. Okay, so there are some secret code which generated by the service center after 2 or 3 days. This secret code used to close all the running application in the unlocking method, because use this unlocking method, unlocking offline method, all the running application will have to be closed. Okay, so simply you will have to click on emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now the secret code I am going to give you, this secret code is valid for 2 or 3 days. Okay, so if this secret code help you to unlock your phone, that means it's okay. Otherwise you can wait for 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, I will give you a new secret code updated by the service center. Okay, and today's secret code is *800 then *99 then #. After feeding this number, you will have to call on this number. When you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and again you will have to call on this number. And when you will get this type of pop-up, you will have to cancel this. You will have to do this process 3 times. Now the 3 times this process has been completed. It means all the running background application has been closed now. Now simply you will have to clear this number like this. After clearing this number, you will have to feed a secret code that's also known as USSD code, because all the numbers which starts with star and end with has this type of number are known as USSD code. By this USSD code, you will reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this USSD code is *899 then #. When I clicked on #, you can see here there is a page appeared on my phone's display, and there are lots of options from top to bottom. This page is known as engineers mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. There are lots of keys here, and all the keys have their specific function, but in this video I'm going to give you only unlocking method. Okay, so you will have to go with the software version. You can see here, you will have to click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get this type of page. There are also lots of options over there. Now you can see the first option is model number. That's your phone's model number. So simply you will have to ignore this, and you can see there is an option of an Android version at the second number, and my phone's Android version is 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, Android version 11, Android version 10. If your phone Android version is 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times. My phone's Android version is 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times continuously, rapidly, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now first method of unlocking phone has been done, my friend. Now simply you will have to go with the back button like this, and when you will go with the back button, you will get another option of a manual test at the above of software version. You can see here the option is manual test. Now you will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to the option of a assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option here, but you don't have to go with this any option. Okay, now you will have to simply slide your phone right side until you reach to the option other, and this other option is at the end of this page. Okay, now you can see there are 5 type of option over there. The first option is screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test, and the fourth option is database version. You can see here, it may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. But don't worry about for the name. You will have to simply click on these option 9 times rapidly, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now your second process of the unlocking method has been done. Now you can see there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. Now you will have to go with this option. You will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to simply click on cancel button, and again second time you will have to do the process, and again third time you will have to do the process and cancel it. But at the fourth time, when you will click on read write important lock test, then again you will ask to confirm this option. Now at the fourth time you will have to confirm this option with the OK button, and when you will click on OK button, your forgotten pin, pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means all the forgotten passwords has been deleted, and your phone is ready to apply with the new pattern, pin or password. Okay, now the fourth step I am going to give you, this is the most important step, so be careful about this step, and if you are skipping any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. So follow every step and don't skip this any step, otherwise you will have to watch this video again. Okay, now the final step and the final method I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this until you reach to the device debugging page. Okay, just a minute. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging page. You can see. Okay, now you can see there are also lots of options on this page, and you can see here the first option is check a small board match main board, second option is fingerprint test, and you can see there are also lots of options. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration. You will get in your phone also sensor self test and calibration option. So simply you will have to click on this option like this, and when you will click on this option, you will get 2 type of option in your phone, and it may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, and all the option is showing here operation not started. You can see here operation not started. Second option is also showing operation not started. Simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these all option. Okay, and you will have to continue clicking on these option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so I am going to click on this option. Now you can see test started. Second option also test started, but at the first time my phone's one option has been test passed. Okay, it means my phone has been unlocked. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I have to do? Simply I will have to go with the bottom of the phone. You can see here there is an option of a home button. Simply I will have to click on home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. If your phone has been unlocked with this method, then do the like this video. This give us encouragement to make these type of next videos. And if your phone could not unlock by this trick, then comment me. Our new secret code after 2 or 3 days will be generated, and I will give you that secret code in next video. Okay, so now I am going to click on home button. You can see here, and when I clicked at the home button, now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means these tricks, these unlocking method tricks really work, and generally all the service center nowadays are using this trick. Okay, so you may also use these tricks at the sitting at your home without any computer software, without visiting any service center. And for these type of technical issues, you can also subscribe my channel for the next upcoming videos. Thank you very much.